The biggest thing that I found very different from other education departments and even the education department that I went through in my undergrad is the close mentoring that is available to our students. Your first semester, you will have at least one education course. Those courses, you get to be in the school or students come to you that you're able to connect very specifically to the content that you're learning in those courses. At the end of your second year, we have an immersion experience in Buffalo where you are in a Buffalo City school every day for 2 weeks. And then in the evenings, you meet with the professor to connect with what you're experiencing and what you're learning in the classroom with the readings that you're engaged in. Our students say that during that class, it's called Teaching in Urban America, and they realize, I'm learning this not just for me, I'm learning this for my students. And if I don't do what I need to do, then it's my students that are going to suffer. And so that brings them into their junior year. We support you with a year-long practicum experience alongside your curriculum and instruction class, and you're applying everything that you're learning. And all of that prepares you so that when you go into your student teaching placement, wherever that may be, you are ready to take on that teaching role, and you are ready to support your students where they are and take them to the next step. And at the end, you get to walk across the stage and into your future classroom. Once you're out in the field, we stay connected with you. And that's not just for you, that's for us, so that we can see how you're growing and so that we can bring your stories into our classrooms. We are able to see our teachers who are out there across the globe. One did all kinds of fundraising to support his school in developing a greenhouse. So his students are growing food that is served in the cafeteria. I really look forward to meeting you when you step foot on our campus so that I can introduce you to our community of practice here.